What if AI never existed? Imagine a world untouched by the digital brush of artificial intelligence. A world where the algorithms that now permeate our lives remain dormant, a mere theoretical possibility. What would that world look like? How would our daily existence be reshaped by the absence of this transformative force? The silence would be deafening. No personalized recommendations whispering in your ear. No predictive text anticipating your thoughts. The internet, a vast library, but without the tireless librarians of AI to guide you. Information overload, a constant struggle. In the realm of medicine, progress would crawl. No AI-powered diagnostics to detect diseases in their infancy. Surgeons would rely solely on their skill and intuition, unaided by robotic precision. Drug discovery, a painstaking process of trial and error, stretching timelines and testing patience. Education would be a deeply human endeavor. No adaptive learning platforms tailoring lessons to individual needs. Teachers, the sole architects of knowledge, nurturing minds with personalized attention but limited by scale and reach. The digital divide, a chasm unbridged by AI's leveling hand. Businesses would operate on instinct and analysis, not predictive algorithms. Supply chains, intricate webs managed by human hands, prone to error and inefficiency. Marketing, a game of educated guesses, lacking the laser focus of AI-driven targeting. Entertainment would find solace in the tangible. Music, crafted by human hands and played on instruments of wood and steel. Movies, a collaborative art form, untouched by the digital enhancements of AI. The human element, raw and unfiltered, would reign supreme. Global development would face steeper challenges. No AI-powered solutions to address poverty, hunger, and climate change. Progress, a slow and arduous climb, hampered by limited resources and inefficient systems. The promise of a better future, a distant horizon. Privacy, a complex paradox. Without AI's watchful eye, personal data might be less vulnerable to large-scale breaches. Yet, the absence of AI-driven security systems could leave individuals exposed to more traditional forms of surveillance and manipulation. In this alternate reality, we see a world both familiar and foreign. A world where human ingenuity is the sole engine of progress, but also a world constrained by its limitations. Is this a world we would embrace, or one we would strive to escape? Perhaps the true question is not whether AI should exist, but how we choose to wield its power.
Tell us in the comments and let us know what we should imagine next.